Cycling is about freedom. The freedom to explore, to uncover new places, to go on a journey. Even when you want to leave it all behind, it helps to bring a few things along for the ride. For years, we've uncomfortably stuffed our jerseys with food, tools, and essentials. We also tried every bag available, and they always feel like a compromise. Most handlebar bags have clumsy mounting solutions. They obscure precious hand positions on your bars and bounce endlessly throughout your ride. Contents are difficult to access, especially while riding, a problem compounded by modern bar-mounted cycling computers. Traditional rack-mounted bags are amazing, but require specific bikes with specific features to accommodate them. We set out to create a new solution to carry essentials while on your bike. The result is a product that transforms the experience of a traditional cycling bag. Introducing the Handlebar Bag by Werks. The Handlebar Bag features a customizable dashboard to support any of your technology needs. The universal mount integrates seamlessly with all of the most popular brands of computers, and even accommodates your phone. One-handed operation affords access anytime, anywhere, on or off the bike. Grab that granola at the top of an ascent, or check your phone while cruising through your neighborhood. The Handlebar Bag detaches effortlessly with the flip of a lever. Easily remove all of your valuables from your bike and throw your bag over your shoulder with the integrated strap. The mount is minimal and unobtrusive, so your bike looks great with or without the bag. We designed the Handlebar Bag to provide thoughtful, flexible storage for an array of riding styles. Need fuel for an unsupported gravel adventure? We've got you covered. Easily stash tubes, patch kits, and tools to keep you rolling. There's even room for your camera, extra battery for charging devices, or bring along your favorite beverage. Our bag offers expandable storage with thoughtful details to securely transport objects large and small. Carry bar-mounted accessories directly on the bag to further free up your handlebars. Add a light or a bell, or both, and still have plenty of room to use your bars as they were intended. We designed the Handlebar Bag to last, serviceable with basic tools as a rejection to throwaway culture and planned obsolescence. Every aspect of the construction was considered to allow replacement, repair, and color customization. My name's Justin Sorotin, and I'm the co-founder of Werks. Our team of talented designers and cyclists has been working on this bag for almost 2 years. We've built dozens of prototypes, tested idea after idea, and ridden thousands of miles. We're excited to bring this product to the world, and we're asking for your support. By sharing our project with your fellow riders and friends, you'll help make the Handlebar Bag by Werks a reality.